What is up, good people? Jungle Link here, hope you're doing well. Huge news for XRP and for the broader crypto space. We've been seeing a lot of action, applications for XRP ETFs. That's great to see. But Grayscale has an ETF application. It includes XRP. We're hearing that regulators are taking a serious look at it. And beyond that, I think this will be a popular product for investors. The standalone XRP ETF someday, yeah, I think they'll get a lot of volume. But the here and now, to me, this makes a lot more sense. And we're also hearing that it may get across the finish line. This is a game changer here. The article comes from junglelinkxrp.com, link down below. And it's titled, The Future of Multicoin ETFs, Grayscale's Bid for Approval. The GDLC ETF would be the first to hold altcoins such as Solana, Avalanche, and XRP, in addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Approval for the GDLC could represent the first step towards legitimizing multi-crypto asset ETFs, providing investors with more diversified ways to gain exposure to the fast-evolving digital asset space. This is going to be something investors are going to like. They don't necessarily want to wade through a bunch of coins, know every little detail. With one investment, they get exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and of course Avalanche. The prospect of an XRP ETF is exciting, but when we look at Ethereum, it's the biggest altcoin today, and the demand just ain't there the same way it is for Bitcoin. I think it'd be foolish to run out too many singular, altcoin ETFs at this point in time, but a basket product like this where someone looks at it and says, you know what, I want exposure to Bitcoin, I want exposure to Ethereum, but also give me some of these smaller market cap coins as well. Because we look at Bitcoin, 1.3 trillion. Ethereum right now has a market cap of 292 billion. But you start going down the list. Solana, 75 billion. XRP, 28 billion. Avalanche, 9 billion. If you catch a heater with one of those, it's going to change your portfolio. It makes a lot of sense for this type of product. Currently, GDLC holds around 534 million in assets under management, encompassing a mix of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and XRP. GDLC offers a unique advantage by diversifying its holdings across several top cryptocurrencies, which can help reduce risk and provide more stability amid the often volatile crypto market. So someone wants to dip into the broader crypto space. Some of these, again, top altcoins, but they have a lower market cap. This is a great way for them to gain that exposure. This diversification makes GDLC a compelling option for those who want exposure to the broader crypto market without having to pick individual winners. Now, there are other, multi-coin ETFs that are trying to get, approval at this point in time. We have Hashdex and Franklin Templeton's, but those only include Bitcoin and Ethereum. Do we really need that? Probably not. You could just buy the Bitcoin ETF and the Ethereum ETF and whatever, percentage you like. I'm sure we will have that someday where someone just buys them both. But I think this product by Grayscale makes a lot of sense, will fill a lot of demand. And in some ways, this is really a call option on the election. We're going to have a different approach to regulating crypto no matter who wins. So they're going to float these applications out there, and we'll see the environment we have after this election. I think that's really what they're doing here. But there's two battles you're really fighting. Number one is the regulatory environment. Can you get it approved? But if you do, is there demand there for it? Are investors going to want to use this product? And I think this would be really popular. It just makes so much sense. You already have Bitcoin and Ethereum that probably will outpace real estate, the stock market, most other assets you can invest in. And now you're capturing the broader crypto space where, man, if these things heat up, and they likely will, it's going to be astronomical growth. That's why we all invest in altcoins like XRP, like Solana, like Avalanche, because there's more growth potential there. Of course, there's more risk, but if you get the right ones, the right coins, the growth is astronomical. And so this is an efficient way to try to capture that. Further, they're going to be looking, again, you want more exposure to the crypto space, a diversified approach, and this is a great way to do that. Helps reduce risk by spreading investment across multiple assets. And this is how we see a lot of traditional investors invest in stocks, similar to the S&P 500. Of course, that's the 500 biggest companies of the U.S. economy. Well, we're not at the point, right now where there'd be 500 cryptos that are investment grade that you could put out there in an ETF wrapper. Maybe someday, hopefully not. I don't know we need that many blockchains. But this is a good offering. This is a good start for sure, and it will expand over time. They'll include more cryptos as time goes by. Products like this are popular because it reduces complexity. Buying and managing different cryptocurrencies on multiple exchanges, it can be cumbersome. It might not meet regulatory demands of a lot of investors. You're a pension fund, you're an endowment fund. You might not be able to juggle all these different exchanges. But you know what? Something like this that has multiple cryptos, you want exposure to the broader crypto space. This is going to be the perfect product for a lot of those types of investors. And lastly, potential for high growth. Again, Bitcoin and Ethereum are already well known and established. Adding Solana, Avalanche, XRP, and probably more down the road, this can really bring high growth potential. That's what we're doing. We might not know exactly which one of these alts long term will be the winners and losers, but you want exposure to them because you only need one or two to make it, and your returns will be huge. This particular product makes sense to me because I could see it getting approved and coupled with significant demand. I think this will be popular. A lot of people will like this. They get their Bitcoin, they get their Ethereum, and they get some other major cryptos with huge upside. I think this is going to be an easy sell. Let's hope this goes through. And again, it introduces XRP to traditional finance, to regular investors, and they get to know it, they get comfortable with it. And then down the road, you can have an XRP only ETF that can not only get approved, but also could be highly competitive. Let me know what you think down below. As always, please like, please subscribe. The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.